Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Pad Neo, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to turn off our device by holding power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe down to turn off your tablet. Once the device turns off, we can hold power button and volume down at the same time. When you see the logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. And this will then present us with the language selection. Obviously, tap on your desired language. I'll be choosing English. And this presents us with the three options that we have right here. We have Format Data, which is a factory reset of the device, Reboot Device, which takes us back to Android, or simply turn it off. So, with that being said, I'm just going to select the middle option, Reboot, Confirm, and this will now bring me back to Android, like I mentioned before. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.